ki khubor ka batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar Jela kalapan jingkershan na ka Sorkar Padeng banshna palat shispa sanpautuli ki Working Women Hostel bat sa shispa atam ki Anganawad Center. Haba pentip yakani ha kejiakran bat kilat pathai khubor. Menteri ka Sorkar Jela ubakmi yakatanat social welfare ulaong namarba ka Meghalaya kadai kawai nag jela kabala ban pendon kambhaya ka pisa balamang nakatakadaw katanat kalapan kre yaka detail project report nakabenta banshna kumba shispa sanpawai teliki Working Women Hostel. Ulay turu baka Sorkar kalapan kre yaka DPR nakabenta banshna shispa telitam ki Anganawad Center ha ka jela.
Since Meghalaya is one of the few states that has actually used all funds parked with it and sanctioned for it, today we are in a position and we have already prepared detailed project reports for the setting up of about 150 working women hostels. These have gone to the finance ministry and we are closely monitoring their sanction. I took a review meeting day before yesterday and we have been given a firm assurance that we should be able to access funding from the government of India for the setting up of these working women hostels. Also, the upgradation of Anganawad centers is on the anvil, and we should be seeing that in the next few months, some more funds will come to facilitate the creation of more Anganawad centers and also upgradation of a few existing ones. Depending on our projections, I do not recall the exact figures, but the DPRs prepared by us are for the creation of about 150 working women hostels, and for the upgradation of Anganawad centers, it is about roughly about 100 more centers.
Kapor kaladay bapinjit yaki MDC jongpi Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job ke ei ka thong ka bakidon ki ei kiman ki bakong san ki bakibu hakman kita ki de ki jingkeli ki bafidon kamman yo ya ka jubab haswa bapin lek ban tap ya ka vote jongpi ha ka arpuoi tarik urampang arajar arpsan baik ya ka program markman pat ki kertong